Sentiment analysis, or opinion mining, is a natural language processing technique used to computationally determine whether a piece of text is positive, negative, or neutral. In this study, we have used sentiment analysis to analyze the sentiment and polarity of Elon Musk's tweets before, during, and after his buyout of Twitter on October the 27th last. We used the same approach on social media posts from the Wall Street Bets subreddit during the same time frame. What we are hoping to see is a polarization effect, or an insight into how social media might influence or impact on investors. For our sentiment analysis, we use two natural language processing tools: VADA, the Valence Aware Dictionary and Sentiment Reasoner, and TextBlock. We use both because they are the most widely used sentiment analysis tools, and they are available to us through libraries in Python. We also want to see how the results from both processes compare, and how well they describe our data. TextBlob and VADA use lexicon-based methods to map words to a particular sentiment or opinion. That process produces a polarity score on the scale -1 to 1, where -1 represents a very highly negative sentiment and +1 shows a highly positive sentiment. A value near 0 represents neutral. So, the overall sentiment of a given piece of text is simply the aggregate of the sentiment of each term within the text. There's a critical difference between TextBlob and VADA. TextBlob uses an API to perform natural language processing tasks like noun phrase extraction, classification, and of course sentiment analysis. The VADA sentiment package in Python is particularly attuned to sentiments expressed on social media platforms. So it provides a more granular analysis by considering things like emojis, repeated words, and excessive punctuation, something that might be more in keeping with social media palettes. Find out more by reading our report study and see how we got on.